Calculation options control when and how Excel recalculates formulas. When you first open or edit a workbook, Excel automatically recalculates those formulas whose dependent cells, values, or names referenced in a formula have changed. This is the default behavior when you first open a workbook and when you are editing a workbook. For example, we have a formula in cell D3 equal to B3 plus C3. Change the value in cell C3 and press enter. The value in cell D3 is automatically recalculated. When there are complex formulas or a large data set, Excel performance slows down. This is because it calculates after every change or update. To solve this problem, you can change the calculation option from automatic to manual. Note, changing any of the options affects all open workbooks. Click on the Formulas tab, and in Calculation group, click on the Calculation Options button and select one of the options. Automatic is the default calculation setting. Automatic except for data tables automatically recalculate all dependent formulas except data tables. This option stops automatic recalculation of data tables only. Regular Excel tables will still be calculated automatically. Manual turns off automatic calculation in Excel. Open workbooks will be recalculated only when you explicitly do so. Select Manual. For example, change the value in cell C3 and press enter. The value in cell D3 does not change. Select the cell and press F9 to recalculate the formula. Alternatively, you can change the Excel calculation settings in Excel options. Click on File. Click on Options. Select Formulas. In Calculation Options section, select the Workbook Calculation. Selecting the Manual Calculation option either on the ribbon or in Excel options automatically checks the Recalculate Workbook before saving checkbox. If saving a workbook takes a long time, unchecking the Recalculate Workbook before saving checkbox may improve the save time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.